Hello, friends and followers. Here is the National NC300. This is the older brother of the National NC303. These look the same, sort of, but not really. The knobs are very different in their functionality. So it'll be interesting to see how well this receiver works once it's put together and aligned. So one of the issues I had with it is I couldn't turn the dial. I couldn't turn this dial and have the pointer move smoothly. It would stop, and I would see the string was buckling, and I thought, okay, it can't be the indicator pointer sticking, but it was sticking. So that was causing grievous issues. So as with all these old radios, there's a track in here that the pointer rides on, and this one just needed cleaned up and a little bit of grease. I could see the string it still was buckling a little bit. You can see the string is sort of resisting and bowing, but it's not so bad now. So I'm going to leave it alone. This does travel along now without stopping or stalling, so I will call it fixed. At any rate, I used a Q-tip and some grease, so you want to get a Q-tip. This is a grease I used on all the Drake radios that somebody recommended. It's synthetic. This is what I used. It's very light grease. It is synthetic. And I just lightly greased this track with a Q-tip, being careful not to hit the string at all with the grease, and pretty much just greased in there and used a screwdriver to tuck some grease in behind where the front part is. So I'm hoping that's all this thing needs. Now I want to try and lubricate this stuff a little bit, and I got to get the drum back in here and get that string working. The drum string is still in here, but this is the one that's hard to connect up, so there is a small pulley for it visible. Pulley is visible. I saw the pulley. There it is. So the first pulley is right here. There's a pulley right there. Right here. There's a pulley. There's one of them. Another one down there, I think. So those got to get connected up and that working. And I think that would solve the rig working. So slow progress on this, but making some progress. I did fix the antenna tuner. That thing was all bent out from somebody. That took a few hours. I had to take that off and straighten it with an ohmmeter, make sure it didn't short any longer. With that working now, the radio is fantastic as far as peaking up the antenna. Yeah, I did clean up the deck here a bit, but there's still some more cleaning that I'll do now that that cylinder's out, and lubrication. So I'm getting there. It'll be interesting to compare this radio with the NC303, the big brother, or little brother, I guess it is. It's younger. So yeah, I did take the glass out too to clean it up. Whoops, just hit that, didn't I? Jeez. You got to be careful when you are restoring these. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.